How to attract the love of your life, your ideal man, in 30 days. Welcome to She Manifests Love. This is a channel for women, and on this channel we talk about love, we talk about dating, we talk about romance, we talk about relationships, we talk about lifestyle too. And we're back. How to attract the love of your life in 30 days. You have to know what you want in your ideal man. You have to know the attributes of who the love of your life will be. But if you don't know, I can show you a quick way you can start writing that list of the attributes your ideal man will have. How would you like a man to treat you? What kind of relationship would you like to have? You answer those questions, think about those things, and then put it down in a list. Another way you can do it is by thinking through your past relationships. What good things did you like in your past relationships? What ways were you treated in your past relationships that you liked? Write those things down in your list. Was your past, your ex, was he very caring? Did he open the doors for you when you got out of the car? Did he used to cook for you once in a while? Did he buy you gifts? Was he very honest? Whatever attributes that you liked in your past lover, your ex, write them down. There's another way that you can use your past relationships to help you to manifest your future ideal relationship. You know what? Have you ever heard of contrast? For example, think through your past relationships. Was there some attribute that you did not like? You know, we talked about attributes you liked, but now I'm talking about the ones you did not like, the traits in your past lovers that you did not like. Think about those traits. Think about those attributes. And then write down the opposite of that in your list. That's contrast. You think, oh, maybe my ex, he used to be verbally abusive. For example, in this your list, you write that my ideal lover, my soulmate, treats me with respect. He speaks to me with respect all the time. He values me. He appreciates me. He loves me. So that is what you put in your list. That is how you use contrast to manifest the reality that you want. It works actually. It does work. It worked for me because that's how I manifested the relationship that I am in now. I wrote a list. I did what I told you. I did everything. And it worked. In fact, it actually worked faster than I expected. I left the relationship I had before in like maybe, for example, beginning of or middle of March. Before the end of March, I'd met my current guy. So it works. How is your list looking? Tell me. Tell me in the comments. And maybe you might be wondering what to write. Write it like it's happening now. Write it like it is happening now. Like, for example, my soulmate, my ideal lover loves me. He's a gentleman. He calls me up multiple times in a day. He cares about what's going on in my life. He's very kind. He listens to me. I love him so much. I enjoy his company. Being with him makes me so happy. He's just a wonderful guy. You can talk about anything you like, even his physical attributes. I did that. I wanted a guy that was tall, good looking, blah blah blah. Let me not tell you everything. And I actually got that. So whatever you want in your list, whatever you want in your ideal man, put it in your list. Very important. Put it in your list. Put it in your list and write it the way I told you to write it. Now, what do you do with this list? If you've been watching my videos, you know the answer to that. Every morning when you wake up, read your list. In the evening or in the night before you go to bed, what do you do? Read your list. Read it morning and evening for what? 30 days. Read it for 30 days. And remember, what do I always say? Read it with what? Feeling. Read your list with feeling. Feel that those things are happening now. Feel that he's loving you now. Feel that he's caring about you now. Feel that he is present in your life at that minute as you're reading that list. Feel that you have him in your life. You have your list. You're reading your list. The next thing that will happen, maybe in 30 days, maybe even before 30 days, your ideal lover will manifest. Just have faith. Have faith. It will happen. As long as you keep to it. Do it morning and evening. Do it with feeling. It will happen. Don't worry. It will happen. So, I'd like you to tell me when it happens. Tell me. Let me know. It really will make me happy to know that it worked for you, just like it worked for me. You know, I really would like to know. So let me know when it works. So, until the next video, as usual, my lady sisters, stay lit as always. Much love. Did you enjoy this video? If you did, I'd like to ask you to do one thing for me. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to be notified about any new video.